Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix AO Smith tankless water heater stuck in standby mode. Troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check the hot water bucket. Turn on a hot water bucket fully, then let the water run for 1 to 2 minutes. Check if the heater changes from standby to heating. If it stays in standby, try another hot water bucket. Second one is make sure the water supply is on. Check that the cold water inlet filter is fully open. Make sure the home's main water supply is turned on, then look for any kinked or blocked water lines. Test the heater again. Third one is check the power supply. Make sure the heater is plugged in securely, then check if the circuit breaker has tripped. Reset the breaker if needed, then turn the heater back on and check the display. Fourth one is reset the water heater. Turn the water heater off, then unplug it or switch off the breaker for about 5 minutes. Then restore power. Turn on a hot water bucket and see if the heater starts heating. Fifth one is clean the inlet water filter. Turn off the power and water supply, then remove the inlet water filter. Rinse away dirt and debris. Reinstall the filter and turn the water and power back on. Thanks for watching.